विश करे उनको.
Okay, at first, wait. Already today's test you have given, right?
Yes.
You
No, I
are
haven't
having
given it.
test in a school.
8 o'clock को है बोलो.
Can you tell me the chapters which you are having?
कैसा निकल गया?
Chapter 3 and 8, I think.
Okay,
The chapter 5 and 8, volume and algebra.
just a moment. I'm opening the book over here. And
Mensuration and the algebra chapter.
okay, so yeah, I'm opening the book over here, and we can have a discussion from the same over. Just a minute. So when you are having test, Zen, on which date you are having test?
साथ में ज्वाइन कर.
Yes, please. You can
Yes.
keep your mic unmuted. Please turn on the camera if possible. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to open your book. Okay, the book which you have shared. It is still getting loaded. Okay, just wait. Okay, yeah, I'm sharing the screen now. Yes, Zan, have you turned on the camera? I cannot see anything. This is the book which you are following currently, right? Right, Zan? So here we need to discuss the 5th chapter.
यार आपको समझ में नहीं आया?
Yes. Can you please turn on the camera, Zan?
Yes.
हाँ वो देख ले, क्या देख लेते बैठा हुआ है.
Okay, let's start. The 5th chapter we need to discuss, right? Do you understand the concepts which is there in 5th chapter? You can keep yourself unmuted. Okay, only you
Yeah.
are here and I am here. Okay, so you can whatever like continuously you whatever
आवाज बढ़ाओ.
you can just give the response over here. And yeah, let's start the discussion. Just a moment, no? This is currently you are following this book. Please first confirm. Right, Zen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, fifth we need to discuss at first, right? Mensuration. Let's start with the discussion. So at first you are having area. Do you understand the basic that if we are having a quadrilateral, which is rectangle, how to find the area? A quadrilateral, which
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
square, how to find the areas and all, right?
Yes. Yes. That much time.
Okay. So these are all the questions where shapes are given and we are just supposed to find the area. Do you understand how to find the area over here?
The area and you just have to use the formulas.
You just need to use the formulas, right? Okay. This word problem, we just need to use the formulas, right?
Yeah.
Then triangles and parallelograms. These also you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. For finding the area, there is a new formula for triangle. You can use this formula. Do you understand how to use this formula? Do you understand how to use this formula? Zen, if
Yeah.
you are having a triangle, if you are having a triangle, okay, I am giving you one of the side of this triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC. I am giving you one of the side as, let's say, 2 centimeter. Another side I am giving as a 3 centimeter. And I am giving this angle as a 50 degree. This angle as a 60 degree. Can you please find the area by using this formula?
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah. Please tell me, how can we do so?
We just had 1/2. And then we first this in this opposite to the A, right? The angle A, there will be side A. So 3 will be side A, or you can say A. 1/2, 3 into B, and then 3 into what do you say, X, because there's nothing there. 3 into X, and then into sin C, which is sin 50. So yeah, and then what do you say? From here we do x is equal to 1/2 into 3 into sin 6 sin
How we will be able to find the x value from here? See, you need to understand this formula in detail. Okay. So,
can't we just use can't we just use the trigonometry to first find side B.
we don't know which type of triangle it is. Okay, so you will be using trigonometry to find the side. See, there are so many variation of this formula, and I am showing you all the variation. Just a moment. Suppose you are having a triangle. Okay, the name of the triangle is ABC. You understand already. I can see the opposite to A is the small letter A, side A. Opposite to B is small letter B. Opposite to C is small letter C. Right? These are the sides. Right?
Yeah.
And the formula, only one variety is written, like only the one type is given over here. There are so many types. One of the type is 1 by 2 AB sin C. Actually, this formula is trying to tell us that you need to take this side, and the angle in between. And this way you can use any two side and the angle in between to find the area of the triangle. What does that mean? That means this formula can be used in this way as well. We can write the same formula in this way, that 1 by 2 into AC sin B. This formula can also be used as 1 by 2 into BC sin A. Are you getting all the variation of the same formula?
Mm.
We just need to take the sides, okay? The sides which are just adjacent to each other. AB, if you are taking, you have to take the included angle. If you are taking the side AC over here, you have to take the included angle. And if you are taking BC, you have to take the included angle, which is A. And this way there are, okay, only one formula is given, but actually there are three formulas which we are getting from here, and anything can be used. So for the question which I have given, you don't have to take X. You can still find the area, okay, by using the same formula. You can say 1 by 2 into 3 into 2, and the angle in between is sin 60. Getting it? Are you getting it, Zan?
Yes.
Okay, so you will be able to see all the different types of question which you are having from here. Let's see. Okay, so the first example, same formula has been used. Let's see the next few questions. You can see here A is given and B is given, still you are using the same formula. But here B is given, okay, here also A is given, you can use the same formula. Here, can you see B is given and C is given, and still you are supposed to use the formula to find the area, yes or no? So you will be using 1 by 2 into B into C, and angle, sign of the angle in between, that means sine 67.2. Getting it? Getting it? Then
Yes.
let's see the next one. Next one. So currently you are using scientific calculator, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So here also you will be finding the area. Formula is 1 by 2 AB sine C or BC sine A, okay, or CA sine B. Three formulas we are having. So you can see here C is known and A is known. Formula we will be using 1 by 2 AC sine B. You can see we know A, we know C, we know B. You will just take each and every value and your calculator will show you the final answer. Okay, similarly in the next one, we are having B, we are having A, we are having the angle C. Okay, so we are having B over here, we are having A over here. Here we'll be using the same formula, 1 by 2 AB sine C. Next one, 1 by 2. A and C is there. So AC sine B, this formula we'll be using. Okay, here in this is still level 1 question you are solving, where your A is given to you, your C is given to you, your B is written over here. But when the figure, just the figure will be given, and these data will not be written in the written format, in the figure only you are seeing all the data, then you have to use the formula carefully, because the type of question which I have shown you, where extra angle was also given just to confuse you, okay, that type of question you will also encounter, where extra angle will be given to you and you have to use the formula wisely. Getting it? Do you wanted to discuss like from the beginning, from here these portions will be there in your exam, yes or no?
Yeah.
Then the,
Probably.
okay, it will be there, the complete chapter is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, let's continue. The next one, B is given, C is given, and here angle B is given. Okay, and you can see angle C is also given. Just now I was talking about this scenario.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, where extra angle will be given, so that you should get, like, you will end up getting confused. But you should be careful. BC is given, so you are using this variation of the formula, BSC and sine of included angle, and you will always find the included angle is sine A.
Yeah.
But here A is not given. Can you tell me how you will be getting it? Yes, then I am drawing a triangle and I am just writing
I
all.
know.
How we will be getting a Zen?
I think by using, for I think using Sokato to find sine A, I guess.
Can you please repeat?
Using Sokato to find angle A.
Angle sum property will be using,
Mm.
right? In a triangle, sum of all the interior angle is 180, right? Do you know this property? If angle B is 10 degree, angle C is 65 degree, then angle A we will be able to find. You can say angle A is X. X plus 10 plus 65 is 180. Do you know this angle sum property of a triangle?
Yeah, yeah. So seven. So the it will be 105.
Yeah, we'll be getting angle A from here, and that angle A we are supposed to use for finding the area, right?
Mm.
Can you please tell me how to do this question number 8? We need to find the area by using this data.
What do we need to find?
Area. We need to find the area of a triangle by using this formula.
So you can use it here, I think. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can use the formula without any problems in this.
Can you
1
tell me the
over 2
formula?
BC into sine A.
I'm talking about number 8.
It, so I guess first you do 100 plus 32, x plus 100 plus 32 is equal to 180.
Hmm.
So so we'll do 132 and then the rest and the rest will do
Yeah, 180 minus 132 is
178, 78. Angle C will
78.
be 78.
Is it
So
70?
yeah, we do one.
Please check in your calculator. 180 minus 132.
Is 48.
It is 48.
So angle C will be
Yeah.
48. Then 1
Hmm.
over 2, 1 over 2, 7 into 14 into sine 48.
Yes. Okay, so this is how you'll be getting the area each time. Yeah. What about this number 9?
You just
Me comments.
Okay, what should I do now?
Combine करो बोलो.
Any idea how to proceed? Finding the area of a triangle whose sides are given.
All of them are equal to 12.
Yeah, all of them are 12.
So it would mean every single angle is equal. 180 divided by 3,
That is,
60.
so every single angle
So
is
you can
60.
use a
Now here,
1 over 2, 12 into 12 into sine 60.
yeah, perfect. Uh, Let me check this one. A and C is given. What about this one?
A is equal to C. Okay, this is easy as well. A, B. So side A is equal to 8 and side C is also equal to 8. Uh, no, the other side.
Yeah,
No, you did it wrong. Side C is equal to 8. So
yeah,
it
side A
will,
is 8, side,
and then this 72 degrees, angle B is 72 degrees.
right? So we can directly find the
Okay,
area.
so yeah,
Yeah,
ACB, yeah,
let's
we
move.
can directly find the area. 1
Yeah,
over 2, 1 over 2 AC into sine B.
yeah,
Or 1 over 2, 8 into 8, 8 into 8 into sine 72.
yeah. You will be able to do question 11 in the same manner, question number 12 in the same manner. Let's do question number 13. Let's read the instruction. Find the area of each shape. First one.
Seems easy enough. Or do you have to, I have to find the area of the whole shape?
Question number 13, right? The triangle. Triangle's area. We can use the formula 1 by 2 into base into height.
Yeah, you can use it here.
Okay. Because base is known and height is known. Can you tell me which one is base and this one is height?
The base will be 14 and the perpendicular height is 15.
Yeah. Let's do the
Oh, you
next
cannot
one.
use perpendicular height.
Yeah. It's not 15. Okay. Perpendicular height is 9.
Oh,
Okay. We are having three types. Like we are having so many types of triangle. If you are thinking about right angle triangle, yeah, there exists right angle triangle where you're, if I'm, you can see the figure which I have drawn over here. Here BC is the base and AB is the height. And the triangle which we are having here, height is not there. Any of the side is not making 90-degree with the other side. So in such triangle, we have to drop the perpendicular like this. And
okay.
sometime, let me tell you, These type of triangle do exist, where you will try dropping the height and you will find that your height is lying outside the triangle. Okay, you will try making the height over here a perpendicular, and you will realize that your perpendicular is lying outside the triangle, and that is completely normal. Our height can be one of the side of a triangle, it can be in the middle of the triangle, like somewhere in between, like somewhere inside the triangle, or it can be in the exterior part of the triangle, and that is okay. We just need the height. Okay, now in question number 15 only, suppose I am giving a name to this triangle A B C. Can you tell me what is the base over here? Base.
Where?
In question number 15, what is the base?
7.
Yeah. Okay. So you should understand that the side on which we are dropping the perpendicular, your triangle may look like this. Your triangle may look like this, and your height may look like this. This time, if I will ask you what is the base, can you tell me what is the base over here
Where?
in triangle PQR? Can you see PQR?
You are? No, yeah, yeah. Base is PR.
Base will be
PR.
no. Here the base is QR. The side on which you are dropping the perpendicular, that side is called as base. The side on
Oh,
which you are dropping the perpendicular, that side can be horizontal,
yeah, I
that
just didn't
side
understand
can
the
be any.
drawing.
Yeah, okay. So we are dropping the perpendicular on QR. So QR will be the base, and I am naming it, this PM will be the height. PM is the height, perpendicular height, and QR is the base. So always base and height fluctuate like this. Okay, let's move to question number 14. We will encounter such question just now. Number 14. How to find the area of this shape. This shape is what? Do you understand, Zen? Arrow means what?
Yeah, it means that they both are the same angle, I think. No, they both, yeah, I think that's what they mean. Either they both are same size or
No.
they both are the same angle. I don't know which ones. They're
Uh,
perpendicular.
when the same side when the same side I want to represent, then I will show you a line like this all over the universe, like all over the world. In all the curriculum, we use this type of sign to represent that both the side. Can you see the figure which I am drawing on the screen?
Yes.
What's the left? ABCD. AB and CD, I want to show this two are same, and I'm going to represent it with a single line or maybe double line. This means the sides are of same length. Getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. When arrow I will draw, arrow means sides are parallel with each other. Arrow represents sides are parallel with each other. Getting it? So single arrow with the other single arrow, these two are parallel, and double arrow, these two are parallel. So this shape is a parallelogram. Are you getting it, San? Do you know what is parallelogram?
Yeah.
So if I am saying that this shape is a parallelogram, why? Because opposite sides are parallel with each other. Okay, this side parallel, this side parallel. Is it making sense? San, is it making
Yeah, I'm here.
sense? Okay. Now we need to find the area of the parallelogram. Area of this parallelogram. What is the formula?
It's the same as the triangle formula, I think. 1 over
1
2
by 2
AB
is
since,
into height.
no, 1 over 2, that 1 over 2 AB since C. But I think we cannot use it here, so 1 over 2 base into height is.
Let me show you when this chapter started, then quadrilateral and everything we were having. Let me show you over here.
Yeah, I've seen it. That we can use the formula on both, I
That
think.
formula is just applicable for triangle. Okay, 1 by 2 BC
Then,
sine C, AB sine AB sine C, BC sine A. Okay, those are just for,
no, I'm just saying 1 over 2 base into height.
yes, just base into height, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 by 2 and all is not there. So yeah, let's start. And let's find base is also known, height is also known. And yeah, again, I'm reminding the formula which you were using over here strictly, that these formula will be using for triangle. This one, question number 14, we were discussing just base into height, and here our base is 10.1 and height is 7, right?
Yeah.
Number 15, we need to find
Yes.
the area. How we will be finding the area?
1 over 2 base into height.
What is base, what is height?
The base is 7, and then the height is 4.
Yeah. Next one, how we'll be finding the area?
1 over 2 base into height again.
But here height is not known, and still this is,
So 1 over 2. Oh, I think I saw it up. 1 over 2 AB into.
actually if we are getting two triangles over here, and both the
Yeah.
triangles are exactly same with each other. So if you will
So
find
that
area
will
of this
be.
triangle, you can say other will contain the same area, and then you can multiply your area by 2.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Because
So
the,
you could use, since base is not given, and you can just use the what do you say, 1 over 2 AB sin C. I mean, no, 1 over 2 AC sin AB sin A. No, CB is sin A.
okay, this side and the included angle with the sun.
Yeah, CB sin A. And then we will get the.
And we will multiply the complete area by 2 because both are same area. Making sense?
Yeah, because we're only calculating half of the triangle right now. So if you multiply by 2, you'll get the area of the entire trapezium. I mean, yeah.
And you will be able to find the answer from here. Any confusion so far,
No,
Zen?
no.
Next one. Very basic, you will be able to do, right?
Huh?
Very basic, you will be able to do. Question number 17, right? It's very
Yeah.
simple. Question number 18. How will be finding the area? Can we say this is an isosceles triangle?
Oh, I think it's an
Isosceles
equilateral.
triangle means two sides are equal with each other. Or maybe,
Since the angles are equal, the side must be equal as well. So it must
yeah,
be
so this
equilateral,
side and
isn't
this
it?
side. This is also
Both
5.
sides must be 5. So
Yeah.
180 minus 70 minus 70.
And you will be getting the remaining angle, and with,
So you'll get 40 for angle A. Now you just have to plug in the values into the formula.
yeah, you just need to plug in the values. Let's move this one.
Yeah.
Very simple. Finding the area is
Yeah,
not.
everything is already given.
Let's move. Let's do question number 20. Find the shaded area. We need to find
We
shaded area over here. Let's
That's easy.
identify. Let's
See,
identify the shape. Okay. We can see
okay.
90, 90 here, 90 here, 90 here. This will also be 90. Okay. This side is 12 and this side is 7. So this is a rectangle, right? In rectangle, this is the property of rectangle, that each interior angle is 90-degree and opposite sides are equal with each other, right? So we understood this quadrilateral is a rectangle, and now we need to find this area and that area. Okay, if you are seeing this as a triangle and trying to use the concept of triangle, then you can see this much is given as just 2, right? And this much is perpendicular over here, which is 7. So yeah, 1 by 2 into base into height. Our base is 2, our height is 7. Just now I was showing you that this is right angle triangle. We can have a
Yeah.
right angle triangle, we can have another type of triangle. In another type of triangle, extra height is required. But here, one of the side is working,
So,
right?
wait. Yes. Answer is 7, isn't it? Once again.
Yeah, please check it.
So the answer is 7. 2 is, yeah.
7 for this triangle, and the same 7 for other triangle.
So, yeah, for the other shaded part.
Okay, same triangle we are having. So 7 plus 7 is 14, or 7 into 2 is 14. Next, find the area of a parallelogram ABCD. We are having a parallelogram ABCD. Just a moment. Let me draw a parabola. Parallelogram. Okay. Here, find the area of parallelogram ABCD.
So, okay.
7. AD is 20. BAD.
Since it's a
BAD.
parallelogram, it
This
means
is
that
6.
the, okay,
Exactly same question which we solved just
same
now, right?
measurement for each side. So, the opposite of AB, which is a DC, which was be 7 as well, and the opposite of AD will be 20 as well.
So we can use that formula. Okay, 1 by 2 into 7 into 20 into sin 62. And
Yeah.
this multiplied with 2, because two same triangles we are having. Let me check the next one. Is it same? ABCD we are having. A parallelogram ABCD we are having. A, B, C,
Yeah, I get it,
D.
I get it, I get it.
Here AD is, okay, you got it. So I'm leaving
Yeah.
it. So BAD is 65. BAD. This angle is given as 65. Can you tell me how we'll be finding the area?
Again, the same way we solved 21. Since it's a parallelogram, it
But
means
here,
you is the
shaded
up.
angle we don't know.
Huh?
See carefully. See carefully, included angle we don't know. Zain.
Yeah. So angle DCB will be 65 as well. And then side AB will be 11 and
This
side
one we
BC
know.
will be 7.
Yeah, this is 11. This is
Excuse me?
7.
Yeah, yeah. And then angle DCB will be 65 as well, since they're both
Hmm.
exactly parallel.
Yeah. Then okay, you can use the same formula. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move. In the diagram AE is 1/3 of AB. The complete length AB, that's 1/3 is AE. Okay, you
So,
can see this one.
okay. So 12 divided by 1 over 3. So 1/3 of 12
Is 4,
divided by
right?
3 is 4. So AE is equal to 4.
AE we
And
ended up.
is equal to 4. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So EB is equal to 8.
Yeah. Then
EB is equal to 8. And B that there over will be 6 centimeters as well. So we have everything we need, then we can solve it.
but only this much you have to find. How you will be finding? Only this much. You can see this shape is not parallelogram. Actually, it is trapezium. Actually, this shape is trapezium, Zen.
Yeah, I know that is trapezium. So until now, this we
If you
got
the formula is
these
1
we got
by 2,
these three values. We
some
can do 1
sides
over 2 A plus B into the
into
yeah.
H. So here
Into
you will
H.
understand what is A, what is B, but H is not known. You understand H means the perpendicular, the height which is making 90-degree, and you cannot see any height over here. Getting it?
Yes.
So this logic may not work over here. It's not working over here actually. Okay, what we will do, we will find the area of the parallelogram. How? We will
Area of the
find,
parallelogram
yeah, 1 by 2 into, okay, 2 times 1 by 2, the complete,
2
this total
into 1 by
parallelograms.
yeah. So one
Okay, so
2
I'm,
into
if this is 72, this will also be 72, right?
yes.
So we can say that, okay, 6 into 12 sine 72, right? This is giving us complete parallelograms area. From there, if you will subtract, if you will
If
just
you sub
subtract this
yeah,
triangle's area, subtract the triangle's area, which is 1 by 2 into,
base in
okay,
height.
base into height. No, see the triangle,
No,
that formula will be using.
1
Okay,
over 2 A
okay,
A
this
B
one
since
just now you obtained as a 4, so you will say 6
yes.
into 4 sine 672, right?
Mm,
And you need to do the simplification very carefully over here to obtain the final area. You will be doing this calculation separately, and you will be doing this calculation separately. Clear?
okay.
And then you will be doing,
So and then we use the answer we got from finding the trapezium and then we subtract it from the area of the triangle, right?
we are finding the area of the parallelogram, because opposite sides are parallel with each other, so of course it is parallelogram, right?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so we are finding the area of the parallelogram, complete area. I found the complete area, and then from there I'm going to delete a certain portions area. That means I am going to delete this area. I ended up getting the shaded portion, yes or no?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So you can see the area which I deleted, that is nothing but just a triangle. And the same triangle, so many questions we have done finding the area of such triangle, right? Are you getting it, Zen?
Yes.
So far, any doubt?
No.
These all the questions after the class you have to sit and you have to solve. And you have to take out the final answer with the help of like calculation and everything. Okay. And if answer is available to you, you can 50 centimeters.
It's 57.06. What? Huh?
One equilateral triangle ABC, and this time area is given to you as a 50 centimeter square, and it's asking that find the value of it. Yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't say
can you
anything.
hear me?
Yeah. Hello?
Am I audible, Zen?
Hello, yes.
Yeah, let me share the screen. So here we are discussing question number 24. The area of an equilateral triangle is 50 centimeter square. Find AB. Can you tell me how can we found like how can we find the value of AB, the length of AB?
Value of a length of AB.
Yeah. Question number
Since the volume is 50,
A.
since I mean the area is 50, my bad. Since the area of the equilateral triangle is 50, a triangle has three sides. So what do you have to do is you have to reverse it. You have to do, since we do 1 over 2 base into height into find the formula, right? I think we have to do, uh, mhm. You have
We
to
have
divide by 50,
this is X, this is X, and this is X because it's an
50,
equilateral, right?
hmm? Yeah,
Now we can say X into X sine. Okay, you can take BC sine A or AB sine B, whatever you want to take it because all the angles will be same. So sine 60, right,
yeah.
is equals to the given value which is 50. Now from here you
Hmm.
need to find the X value. Okay,
The value of x.
X
Uh,
by 2. X
Not even the angles given.
angle is not given, but you need to identify equilateral triangle means all the angles will be same. That means 180 divided by 3. That
So
means
180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. So each angle will be 60 degrees. And if each is 60 degrees, then
is it clear the logic which we are using?
yeah, the logic is clear.
Calculation will you will be able to do or not?
1 second. I think.
Please find the
Give me
value.
a minute.
Yeah, tell me.
The answer should be somewhere around 10, but I don't
10.
know the exact one. Somewhere around 10.
I'm sharing another screen and let's see the answer. Just a moment.
10, 10.5, 10.4, or 10.7. Out of these three, it's one.
Okay. Can you see the screens then? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we are getting 50 on the other side and 1 by 2.
Yes.
1 by 2 will go to other side. Okay. Or maybe we are having on this side sine 60. So 1 by 2 we are having 1 divided by 2 sine 60, right?
Sine 60.
This is the answer. Okay. And
Then into
no, into x square was
into x.
x square will be
Yeah,
these
x.
all will go to other side in division, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm writing it. We were having other side 5050. Wait, 5050. Okay.
Sine 60.
Can you see the answer?
Yes.
This is your x square. You have to find x value. So
Yep.
you will
Square
take
root the
square
answer, I
root of
guess.
everything. The square root of everything you need to take. Are you